Forklifts, or powered industrial trucks, are among the most hazardous vehicles found in modern workplaces. Used extensively across warehouses, distribution centers, manufacturing plants, and construction sites, they present a significant risk when not operated correctly. The dangers associated with powered industrial forklift trucks are frequently underestimated. Because they are relatively quiet, often used intermittently, and become part of the everyday environment, employees who work with or near them may become complacent. However, incidents involving lift trucks are rarely minor. Each year, thousands of workers are injured in forklift-related incidents, many of which result in serious or fatal outcomes. The most common forklift incidents include workers struck by a moving truck, workers struck by falling loads, structural damage, truck overturns, falls from height, driving off loading dock. There are 4 primary types of powered industrial trucks commonly used. Counterbalance forklift trucks are named for the heavy counterweight at the rear of the vehicle, which offsets the load lifted at the front. Counterbalance forklifts are versatile and suitable for both indoor and outdoor operation. Reach forklift trucks, designed for high stacking in narrow aisles. Reach trucks extend their forks forward to access deep racking and elevated mezzanines. Order picker forklifts. These trucks raise the operator to the load level for manual picking. Where required by the equipment design, operators must wear a safety harness. Powered industrial trucks must be inspected daily before use and at every shift change. Operators must test brakes, steering, horn, lights, and seatbelt. Inspect tires and fluid levels. Check for leaks of oil and other fluids. Ensure forks are straight and free from cracks or deformation. Only properly trained and licensed individuals may operate powered industrial forklift trucks. When mounting or dismounting the forklift, face the vehicle and maintain 3 points of contact. Always wear a seat belt or harness as required by the equipment design. Before moving, conduct a 360-degree visual check. Adjust speed according to environmental conditions, particularly in high pedestrian areas or on uneven surfaces. Travel with forks lowered but clear of the ground. Avoid sudden acceleration, sharp turns, or violent braking, as these actions may destabilize the load or vehicle. Slow down at intersections, blind corners, and doorways. Sound the horn when approaching these areas. Never operate controls from outside the cab. Never override safety devices. Never exceed rated load capacity. Never use the truck as a crane. Never operate under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Never use mobile phones while driving. Never use forks as a work platform. Never allow pedestrians beneath raised loads. Never leave the cab's protection in the event of a load or rocky moves. The overhead guard is designed to protect you. Use a spotter when never traveling with an obstructed view. Be aware of floor load limits and the total combined weight of truck and load. Ensure adequate overhead and side clearance at all times. Always park on level ground in designated areas. Lower the forks fully to the floor. Tilt the mast forward. Apply the parking brake. Select neutral, switch off the engine, and remove the key. Ensure forks do not protrude into walkways. If necessary, place barriers or cones. Return keys to secure storage. Forklift safety is a shared responsibility. Operators and pedestrians alike must remain vigilant at all times. Powered industrial trucks are highly effective tools, but without strict adherence to safe operating procedures, they can become deadly hazards. Stay alert. Work carefully. Go home safe. Do you know who else could benefit from this video? The members of your team. Please share, comment, and like this video. Here are 2 more videos you might find helpful. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next video. Work carefully. Go home safe. We can also customize this training with your branding, characters, and site environment.